Bluebird wakes up. He opens his eyes and stretches his wings. What a beautiful day! Bluebird is so happy. He spreads his wings wide and flies high into the bright blue sky. Look at him fly. He's going to meet new friends today. Oh, who is this? Bluebird has found a new friend.
Hello, I am Red Apple. I am red. Can you say red?
R-E-D, red. Red Apple is so happy to meet Bluebird. Let's learn about the color red. Red is a beautiful color. Apples are red. Roses are red. Fire trucks are red. Can you find something red around you? R-E-D spells red. Look up in the bright blue sky. Bluebird sees something shining. Oh, who is that?
Hello, I am Yellow Sun. Yellow Sun makes everyone happy and warm.
Time to learn about yellow. What color is the sun? That's right, yellow. What color are bananas? Yellow. What about sunflowers? Yellow too. Yellow makes us feel happy and warm. Can you say yellow? Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Excellent. Bluebird flies down to the forest. What's that? A big, friendly tree.
Hello there, little bird. I am Green Tree. I am the color green. Green is the color of nature.
Let's learn about green. Green is the color of nature. Trees are green. Grass is green. Frogs are green. Leaves are green too. Can you spot something green? Look around and point. Wonderful! Bluebird has 3 new friends. Red Apple, Yellow Sun, and Green Tree. We learned 3 colors today. Red, yellow, and green. Let's celebrate together.
Yeah!